Welcome back to another video. The next few videos are going to be me going through a few old videos I've made of this van build. Things like the bed, the toilet, and well, really just explain what I was thinking. Yeah, this seating area I'm sitting on was actually a design of my dad's. It was his idea. If anything, it's probably slightly too tall, but does give a lot of storage space. I think if I was to build it again, there would be a few things I would improve, which I will probably talk about as we go through the video. I don't actually remember, I haven't seen this video probably since I filmed it, so I don't know what's in it. It's only 3 minutes 48 long, so I'm not entirely convinced it's the entire build, but I can't remember. So let's get into it. I wanted to give you an update. It's been a couple of weeks since the last video. I'm actually going away in about 4
pretty
weeks,
much complete.
so there's going to be quite a lot of progress in a short amount of time. This is the bedding area, as I said before. So the idea is nice deep drawers here. Be 4 of them all together. Front ones are slightly
Those
bigger,
drawers,
so this rear area. These will come out.
Those drawers, or these drawers, they are actually too big to put anything with any weight in. I mean, we had the fridge in the front one, which I might talk about in the video in a moment actually, which that was about the weight that you could get away with. Our most recent trip to Belgium, we had all of the excess food in there that doesn't fit in the cupboards, along with nappies, baby food, baby powder, some cleaning stuff, and that drawer was really hard to move. One of the things I'm going to do before I sell the van, which will be on my YouTube channel, this whole seating area, I'm going to redo it to make it easier to use, possibly even put the trays on runners, because yeah, they're not easy to use. Together, they'll have we've got a loose piece of wood that'll do there. I'll show you. So there'll be a small section on the front here which will flip over and cover the top. That will make this the same level all the way across. We end up with just
and that can make a U-shaped seating area. And then obviously at night we'll bring the front ones out as well. That'll make our bed. This one here will have our fridge in, which was kindly donated by Joel and Nix of Bear Overland. So that fits quite nicely in there. This will be the bathroom. I've got my shower tray now. I am starting to build a composting toilet. The toilet will actually be in this way, facing forwards. There's my number 2 bin. And then the shower bit will be at the front. Kitchen I've not really done too much with. I have moved all this useless insulation out of the way. You can see I have got the freshwater filler pipe coming out through the floor. That will go in through the wall, out through the wall there.
That created
and the long blue one is my
water leak.
Fresh water.
There's a join there.
Just to show, this is kind of what our seating area will look like. This seat will be a bit further back. I'm going to make the bathroom all
the join from that fresh water pipe. I could never get it to seal properly. We now actually put holes all the way past it, so it doesn't cause a problem.
So you've got extra storage underneath. That'll be a spare dining area if it's just me, the wife and the dog, and we can then leave the bed made up. Now underneath the van, you can see that is the drain tap, but the tank, all the hose work is all in. There's
again, apologies for the quality. I don't know what I was recording on.
Just there, and the pump is, there's the pump. Further forward there.
So that pump I have since upgraded. It wasn't powerful enough to run the shower in the van. It's upgraded to a much bigger unit, and the filter I pointed at earlier in the video, I wouldn't recommend fitting that. It's a good filter if you're filtering, I don't know, rocks from your water, we don't use the water for drinking. We purely use it for cooking and cleaning. But I would still prefer a better water filter, which again will be something that we'll do to the van before we sell it on. So other than that, the only other thing we've done since the last video is in our side door, I've moved the yellow handle. So this is now going to come up to the edge of the kitchen. That was a good idea. And yeah, so this is going to be obviously a little lounge area. There's passenger seat swivels as well. So I'll open this area up quite nicely. It'll just be quite nice to have everything already. Let's just leave the bed laid up and still be able to chill out in the front. So that's the update number 2, I suppose you could call it. Yeah, do subscribe, like the video. I will be putting updates up weekly now for the next 2 or 3 weeks, and then I'll do a video of new wine so you can see how it goes. And there's always teething troubles, little bits we want to change, so I'm sure there'll be a few more videos after that. So yeah, do subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time. I really must say I was not good at doing videos all those years ago. I think it was only like 3 years ago. But yeah, like I said, it's a good setup for the sleeping area, and the seating and sleeping area. I would probably make it a bit smaller and put it on runners, which again, like I said, I will be doing in a later video on this channel. So any comments, let me know in the comments box below. Like the video if you made it this far, and I will see you next time.